Want to play Amenti on your PC or laptop? Here's the fastest way to download and install it through Steam, step by step. First, you will need Steam. Just search Install Steam on Google, then click the first result from store.steampower.com. Click Install Steam at the top right. Select your platform and hit download. Open the file, choose your language, pick a folder, or leave it default and click install. Launch Steam and either log into your account or create a new one. Steam guides you through it, no stress. And once you're in, go to the store tab and search Amenti. It should pop up right away. Click on Amenti, scroll down, then add it to your cart. Choose for myself and pick your payment method. PayPal, card, whatever works. After checkout, head to your library tab. Amenti will now be there waiting. Click install, pick a drive, and create a desktop shortcut if you want. Once it's done, that install button turns into a green play button. Hit that and dive into the world of Amenti. And you're all set. Got any issues with installing? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fast PC game guides.